What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications. Look, let's get serious right here. Credit audit. What is a credit audit? A credit audit is going to break down whatever is in your credit report, show you what's reported negatively, easy to understand. And this right here, most people charge $249 for this. Absolutely free from my company. Absolutely free. Just message me. All the links that you need will be under this video in the description area. I'm going to go over this to show you. This is a sample analysis report right here. So let's get down to it. What you want to do is you want to message me on Facebook, facebook.com/IMLKing. Message me and tell me you want this free audit right here. And what you would get, we'll start off telling you on behalf of Credit Repair Rescore, I like to take this opportunity to welcome you as a new client. We're thrilled to have you with us, blah, blah, blah. All right, right here, part one. What does low scores cost you? What does a low score cost you? Okay, look, you look at the A person right here. They have a 730 credit score, which is a great credit. They would get an interest rate of about 1.99%. All right. Person with bad credit, they're going to get an interest rate 14.99%. Now, these are examples right here, but they're not that far off from each other. So, person B pays about $10,000 more than what a person with good credit pays. And then it comes down, tells you what a credit score is, what a credit bureau is, and what they do, how your behavior is evaluated in your credit report. You know, do you pay your bills on time? Do you have a long credit history? We also have right here the credit score ranges and their meanings. And then we'll pop up, this will be you right here. This will show you what your Equifax is, what your Experian is, and your TransUnion. It breaks down for you what's on your Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. How many things you have: public records, collections accounts, current delinquencies, prior delinquencies. It'll be all right here. If you try to read a credit report, it's one of the hardest things to do. This right here just breaks it down simple for you. Any derogatory items, it tells you from the creditor or the furnisher. It tells you what either Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, which one it's reporting on, and it shows you if it's a collection account, charge off, or anything else. Public records right there. Then this right here will show you your inquiries. You don't want no more than 3 a year or 2 a year. Any more than that just brings your credit score down. Then it shows you your credit utilization that you have. Your credit summary, utilization summary. What are your owing, your revolving accounts, real estate, other accounts. Overview process of our plan. What we're going to do, because let's just read this. The credit system is flawed. It's flawed. And nearly 80% of our reports have errors that can lower your score. But you have the rights, and we know how to use them to your benefit. The law gives you the right to dispute any item on your credit reports. And if those items cannot be verified, they must be removed. So we'll write many letters to the bureaus. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. And we are very good at this. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. And we also provide document preparation and credit education also. And that's what comes in this audit right here. Basically, and then from what you get from this professional audit right here is you can see where you stand. I mean, you might be in the high 400s or in the 500s, and that's terrible. All right, but how are you going to know if you don't get this audit? And it's free. And then from right there, what we can do is we can say, hey, you got a 520 credit score here, and this is what's bringing your credit score down. Now, what we need to do is we need to challenge these items right here, and we'll go ahead and challenge them on your behalf, or you can use a do-it-yourself kit and challenge these items. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. And most of the time, they can't prove it due to the fact they have to have the documentation on file, and they don't have the original document or copy of the original document, and they got to remove it. All right, guys, I'll just give you a little overview of this credit analysis report. If you would like one for free, just all the links to get in touch with me are below. Um, Everything we talk about in this video are below, or you can reach me on Facebook, facebook.com/IML King. All right, guys, see you on the next video.